Hi, I'm Phileas Steyn and I'm the Safari Expert, and I'd really like to use this opportunity to thank each and every person who has supported this channel since I started it in January last year. Last month I reached a massive target of mine, and that was to get to 10,000 subscribers, and a week after that I even hit 1 million views as well. And it's still hard for me to believe that there are so many people all over the world watching and enjoying these videos. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you for every single view, like, comment and share, and thanks to every single person that made these videos possible, whether you joined me on a trip or supported me emotionally or financially, and all the people that invited me to their wonderful reserves and camps. Now, if you're wondering what's next for the Safari Expert YouTube channel, well, obviously I'd love to keep growing the channel, and the best way to do that is to make more awesome videos. So later this week I'm actually heading up to Botswana with my good friend Yei de Vet to commemorate the 10-year reunion of our epic Serengeti trip that we did in 2011. So if you haven't watched this video, the first Serengeti trip episode yet, go and do so right now, and that'll give you a great idea of what to expect. On this trip we've got some awesome sponsors, and we're going to be visiting wild places like Kubu Island, Naipans and the amazing Kwai concession. So you won't see me for the next few weeks. I won't be putting any videos out because we'll be in the middle of nowhere collecting content and having a royal time. But once I'm back, I'm going to start making those videos, and they should start dropping early in November. Thanks again for all the support, and as always, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment below.